Hey guys, welcome back. This is a strange micro brand. I don't know, it's a micro brand. This is a strange Chinese AliExpress watch. It's called FeelNever, which is a pretty big minus if you ask me the name of the watch. But the rest of the watch, if you ignore the fact that it's called FeelNever and that it's Chinese and that it costs 200, pretty much give or take $200. I will link you in the below. It's not an affiliate link. I will not get anything. You can just see the specs and all the thing about there. I just want to show you the watch because I got it actually for my second channel I have, and I thought I shared the opportunity to just show you this. It has a sapphire crystal, which is kind of smudged up because I was touching it and checking it out and whatnot. It has a sapphire dome crystal on it and has a bead blasted finish, and all in all, you don't get this in a mainstream watch, the major watch brands like Orient or Seiko. You need to pay extra, and this is a beast. This is really a beast. If you handed this over to me in the dark with the blindfold on and I would just feel it, I would say this is Zen. First of all, it's bead blasted. It's very thick. It's very thick, beefy and chunky. At the case back, it has this nice little engraving, and it also has domed case back, which makes it so fat on the wrist and thick on the wrist. And let me just show you, this is also a big, bold watch that it's not for everyone as well. This is 47 mils and a half, and so it's just a bit over 47 mils. This is my 7.5 inch wrist, and I think I can wear it, but only in summer with the shorts and casual outfits, and it's very, very thick on the wrist. If you are that interested, I will leave you the link so you can check out the specs and everything, full details. It has an interesting dial, and it has yeah, it's FeelNever. It's called FeelNever. I don't know whose idea was that, but I would never name a watch FeelNever. But if you don't have issues with that, the rest of the watch is great. It's powered by Citizen Miyota 8215, the one you can find in the Citizen Pro Master and the other watches. And excuse the noise of the cars and everything. I'm a bit sick. I'm drinking tea. I'm sitting next to the window because I have tit fever, so it feels good to be here, and been working all day, so I just need to get some fresh air. And while doing it, I'm gonna do a watch review. This is helium escape valve. I think it's unnecessary because you're gonna never use it. It's bad enough that Omega puts it, but if you have a FeelNever $200 watch, I think it's overkill. But speaking of overkill, this is 500 meters water resistant dive watch. I haven't tested it, but it has screw down crown, bead blasted finish, 22 mils satin finish or bead blasted finish bracelet. I just got this watch, so I'm just gonna do a quick review, and then I'm gonna gift it to one of my watch friends, and I think you're gonna like it so much. The bezel is aluminum painted. It has markers here, the glow in the dark markers. The glow in the dark or Luminova is not the strongest side of this watch, which is a shame. I think they should have invest more money into putting decent lume on this watch instead of adding this helium escape crown valve thing. Anyways, you get the watch in this little plastic box. It's not Pelican case, I can tell you that, but it's gonna protect your watch in the transport. And you get this little resizing tool, and you get some paperwork, card and stuff like that. Yeah, what else can I say? 47 mils, so it's not a watch for someone who has a small tiny wrist who's wearing shirts because it will not fit under the cuffs. And yeah, that's it. Other than that, it's very cool looking watch, and it just I'm redoing this watch because they're in the sea of homage Rolex copies, Submariner Rolex copies, and, which they call today homage, which is not homage if you ask me. It's a straight up copy. I can applaud this watch for taking a different approach and doing their own design. This is made by company League Watch. They are big on AliExpress, I guess. I don't know, but you can check them out. League Watch, and this is one of the newer watches they put out. So it's a nice little decent beater for a couple $100. If you want to have something different, it's great for EDC. Sturdy, bead blasted. I like the bead blasted. They bought me with that. Usually I like mirror finishes and chrome finishes and brushed, but bead blasting for this watch, I think it just works. So yeah, this was my little review. Tell me what you guys think. Do you own any of these watches? Are you planning to buy? And I will again link you to this watch in the description box. It is not affiliate link again, and yeah, you can just check the specs and all the other things. So thank you for watching. I'm EDC Gunner, and if you like watches, please consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up, because I do a lot of watch talk and watch reviews.